Hello children, today I am going to teach comparison in math. Today I am going to teach comparison in math subject. Before comparison, let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date today? Today 23 July 2020 and day Thursday. Which day today? Thursday. How is weather outside? Weather cloudy. And which season going on? Season going on rainy season. Okay children, now I revise in last period comparison. Okay, first of two we have start from big and small. Which one? Comparison big and small. So we have some example also. Big means like this, it's a big elephant, big whale, then big giraffe. As it is object you take in big object. Then small we have given example for rat. Rat is so small for compare with elephant. You know everybody, elephant is so big and then rat is so small. And next comparison is long and short. Okay, long and short. So long means we have given example with long pencil. So long pencil, and short means short pencil. Okay, for today I also given one example like this. It's a long pencil. It's a long look. Okay, and this one is a short. This comparison is a shorts. So you take more than example also, long and short. Like this you have so long blanket and so small napkin. This one it's a comparing from big long and short. Now today I am going to teach which one comparison tall and short. Which one comparison tall and shorts. So I have drawn the board some examples. So children, look here properly. First of two I explain only for. It's a big building. You know, you went to Bombay, Ahmedabad, Baroda. So you look more than big, more than tall buildings. It's a tall. That means tall means so many step by step floor. That means tall. It's a tall building. I have drawn the board. Tall building. It's a tall and it's a short. Tall opposite short. Tall opposite short. Okay. So today's comparison is a tall and short. Whenever things they are tall and short, so we compare with tall and short. Again I draw on the board. It's a boy. Tall boy and short boy. Okay, tall boy and short boy. That means also comparing with two person. Okay, then we again comparing from two trees like this, tall tree and then small tree. It's a tall tree and it's a small tree. So what is this? Tall and short. It's a tall. Again repeat. It's a tall building. It's a short building. It's a tall boy. It's a short boy. It's a tall tree. It's a short tree. Okay. You have given more than example like this. Pencils. This one also tall and this one short. Okay. It's a tall. It's a short. And other thing is like this. Okay children, you know everybody now what is the meaning of comparison. Comparison, we compare two things, two similar thing, two person and two tree also, and to compare symmetry and dissymmetry, it's called that comparison. Understand? So we have now we write in our book. We write in our book. So children, look here everybody. It's a tall spelling. T A double L tall. T-A-L-L, tall. It's a tall object. And then short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Tall opposite, short. Tall opposite, short. Then leave one block. Again you write here T-A-L-L, tall, and S-H-O-R-T, short. T-A-L-L, tall, opposite S-H-O-R-T, short. Tall opposite, short. Again leave one block. T-A-L-L, tall, S-H-O-R-T, short. T-A-L-L, tall, S-H-O-R-T, short. Now children, again leave one block. Then you write T-A-L-L, S-H-O-R-T, tall opposite, short. Again leave one block. T-A-L-L, tall, then S-H-O-R-T, short. T-A-L-L, tall, then opposite S-H-O-R-T, short. Again leave one block. T-A-L-L, tall, S-H-O-R-T, short. T-A-L-L, tall, S-H-O-R-T, short. Okay? Children, you maintain line. If you write in your notebook, that time you maintain line. Okay? So, it's a comparison tall and short. And next comparison also I have explained about fat and thin. Which one? Fat, at, fat. Opposite, thin. Okay? It's a fat man. It's a fat man. So fat man. बहुत मोटा होता है ना. That means fat. Fat. And then thin. बहुत ही जो बहुत ही thin होता है. Means दुबला. एक मैन जो हमने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर रखा है ऑलरेडी. Fat opposite thin. Fat opposite thin. Then again one object is also there. Elephant. Elephant is also so fat. You know, elephant is also so thin animal, so fat animal. Okay, and then it's opposite for giraffe. Giraffe is a long and thin. Long and thin. So that's why we compare with elephant, compare with giraffe. So who one is a fat? It's a fat. Elephant, fat. And then who is thin? It's a thin. That means two animal we compare. Okay. Then two men also. Whenever we compare, we similar things. जब हम दोनों कभी कंपेयर करेंगे तो दोनों चीज़ मीन्स सेम होना चाहिए. ऑब्जेक्ट आपके सेम होना चाहिए तो ही कंपेरिजन प्रॉपर होगा. दैट मीन्स आई हैव ड्रॉ ऑन द बोर्ड वन फैट मैन एंड वन थिन मैन. दैट मीन्स इज अ फैट अपोजिट थिन. And then elephant is a so fat animal and giraffe is a so thin. That means fat and thin. Which comparison? Fat and thin. Fat and thin. Okay. Now children, we have write in our notebooks. So maintain your line. Okay. Write F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. Then opposite sign, put sign, then thin. T-H-I-N, thin. Fat opposite, thin. Fat. T-H-I, thin. T-H-I-N, thin. If you read with sound also, okay. Again leave one block. Write down F-A-T, fat. T-H-I-N, IN thin, FAT fat, THIN thin. Again leave one block, then write down FAT fat, THIN thin, THIN thin. Again leave one block and write down FAT fat, THIN thin. Okay. Again leave one block, FAT fat, and put cross sign, that opposite, THIN thin. Fat opposite thin. Again leave one block, FAT THIN thin. FAT fat, THIN thin. Again leave one block, FAT fat, THIN thin, THIN thin. Fat opposite thin. Now children, one more thing I am going to teach you, put sign. One more thing today I teach you, put sign. Okay. I have given so more than example in revised last video. One crocodile, and crocodile want to every time bigger number and not like small number. So we have given example with story, but today I am not tell you one story, only for direct we put sign. Okay, so you listen carefully and copy down. First, put sign, greater than, less than and equal. Which one sign we use? Greater than, less than and equal. So first is number we write here 24, 2 4 25, and then 2 8 28. So which number is bigger number? Tell me children, which number is bigger number? 28. So we put sign greater than. Okay. Then next number is 22 and 30. 22 and 30. 2 2 22, 3 0 30. Which number is bigger? Which number is bigger number? 22 as 3 0 30. 3 0 30 bigger and 22 is less than, I mean small number. So again we put sign greater than. Then children, 23 and 21. 23, 2 3, 23 and 2 1 21. Which number is the greater than? 23. Which number is greater than? 23. So we put sign greater than. Now there is 26 and 26, both of same number. There is 26 and 26, both of same number. So we put sign greater than? No. Less than? No. Equal sign. What we sign here? Put sign equal, because both of number same. Then 28 and 25. It's a 28 number and 25 number. Now which number is bigger number? 28. So we put sign greater than. Now that side 2 0 20, 2 4 24. 2 0 20 and 2 4 24. So look here, which number is bigger number? 20 or 24? It's a 24 number bigger. So we put sign greater than. Then children, 3 0 30 and 3 0 30. They are same number, both of same number, equal number. So we put sign here equal. And again next one number is 2 1 21 and 2 5 25. 2 1 21 and 2 5 25. Which number is bigger number? 25. Then last 2 8 28 and 3 2 3 23. 2 8 28 and 2 3 23. Which number is bigger number? 28. So we put sign. If now again I repeat, today I will explain comparison tall and short. So many objects I draw on the board. Tall building, short building, tall boy, short boy, tall tree and short boy. That means is a tall and short. And next is a fat and thin. It's a fat man, it's a thin man. And fat elephant and giraffe thin. Okay.